This is the homepage of Cricut Design Space, and I just wanted to show you that I have shared my profile and some of my projects in Cricut Design Space, including the templates for making traveller's notebook covers. So this link up the top here I'll put in the description of this video, and if you click on this link it will take you to this page where you can access any projects which I have shared. To do this you need to have Cricut Design Space downloaded either on your PC or in iOS, and then this link will take you to this page. On this page you can see the projects I've shared so far. So I've shared the scalloped spine for my traveller's notebook covers or books or journals, etc. I've also shared wide traveller's notebook covers in a pocket size, a B6 size, a standard size and an A5 size. So with these covers you can cut them out of paper or cardstock and use it as a template for creating your traveller's notebook cover. If you've watched any of my tutorials on my YouTube channel making traveller's notebook covers, you'll see that I always have a paper template which I use for creating the cover. These templates have come out of these projects. So I cut the project out of paper or cardstock and then use it as a template. You could also cut the actual paper or whatever material you're using with your Cricut cutting machine if that's the way you want to go. I actually enjoy the making process, so I like to use them purely as templates, but feel free to do what you like. I've also made all of the traveller's notebook covers wide. If you'd like a narrower cover, you can just adjust the size of the rectangle that I have made to make it narrower. So if I just go to the pocket wide traveller's notebook cover and click on that, it will open here and you'll see this is the name of the project. If you click here, it takes you back to my profile. And then there's a short description which I've put into the project. So what I'm going to do is click on the customize button, which will open the project in the canvas for you to see. So this is the template for a pocket wide traveller's notebook cover. So to make it, you go up to the top right here, the green button, the make it button, and press it. So this opens the pocket wide traveller's notebook cover on the Cricut mat. So you can see it sitting here on the 12 by 12 inch Cricut mat. What you can do is you can move your design around, just press the mouse button down and move it. You can do this if you are cutting it out of a patterned paper, for example, and you want it to cut in a certain area. You can also rotate the design to suit the paper or whatever material you're cutting out. So on the top right corner you can see a rotating arrow which you can rotate your design with. One tip, press the shift button down as you rotate and it snaps it to the mat so it will stay nice and straight rather than being on slight angles. So here I have it here ready to cut and I can go to continue. It's connecting to my Cricut machine here and now it's just trying to read whatever I have my Cricut dial on to see the material that I have it set on. So I have my dial set on light cardstock plus, which is what I'm using to cut my cardstock with. And now what we need to do is move over to the Cricut machine. I've put a cardstock on my light grip Cricut mat. This cardstock is in fact an American Crafts textured cardstock. I just had it to hand, so I'm going to make my template from this. So I'm just going to put my mat on my Cricut and press the load button. And now press the flashing Cricut button. Okay, and now unload. And we can see here the template is cut out, so I'll just remove that from the Cricut mat. To remove paper from the Cricut mat, it's actually best to peel the mat up from the paper. It stops the paper or the cardstock curling. This is the template that I've used to create these pocket-sized traveller's notebooks, and I do in fact have other ones. These were just the ones easy to grab. And then this is the B6. So the template for the B6, cut this one out, and this is a standard wide traveller's notebook. I just really quickly showed you how to cut the pocket wide traveller's notebook cover out with your Cricut machine. What you can do is cut any of the other sizes out using the same process. You can then use the cutout template either as a template, or you can cut your actual material out with it and create your traveller's notebook from that. So once again, all of these projects can be accessed from this link up here to my profile in Cricut Design Space. I will definitely put this in the description for the video below. I will try and put it actually on screen here. If there are any questions or comments, please let me know. I'm really keen to get you crafting and to get you making your own traveller's notebook covers. So any problems, queries, anything at all, please contact me and I'll do everything I can to help you. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Bye.